In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple text flicker effect inside DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the Effects library and search for Fusion Composition. Drag it onto your timeline. Then, right-click the Fusion composition and choose Open in Fusion Page. Inside Fusion, drag in a text node and connect it directly to the media out. Type in your text, then adjust the font, size, and layout to your preference. Next, go to the Shading tab. Enable Element 2, change the outline color to white, and reduce the thickness to get a cleaner edge. Now, right-click inside the text area and choose Follower. This will give us animation controls. Go to the Modifiers tab, expand Order, and set it to Random with 1 by 1. Then adjust the delay to a value of 2. Switch back to the Shading tab and lower the opacity to 0. Activate the keyframe button to set the starting point. Move forward 4 frames on your timeline and increase the opacity to 1. Move ahead another 4 frames and bring the opacity back to 0. Finally, move forward 4 more frames and raise it to 1 again. You can repeat this process or adjust the timing to create different flicker patterns. And that's it! You now have a text flicker effect in DaVinci Resolve.